Imveliso yamandongomane ingenisa imali eninzi kakhulu kwicandelo lozolimo kweli, kodwa kungena kweli candelo kunzima. Njengoko umfama kufuneka ingene nzulu epokothweni, kwaye oku kukumqobo kumafama afuna ukungena kweli shishino. Kodwa ifama imadimbo kwingingqi yase-Mashau inika ithuba abahlali bale ngingqi ukuba bazokufunda banzi ngeli candelo.
Once you drive in, you get the experience of the farm. You get to see the trees, you get to see the nursery, the people that work here. So I feel that's really the bigger picture that we wanted to showcase. But I think mostly our farm that's based in Mashau, our community, we're surrounded by a community. So I guess it's just showing the possibility that any land available can be used. As long as you can plant something, you take care of it, it can be used.
Le fama iqeshe abantu abangama-30 kwaye ithengisa imveliso yayo kwingingqi zeliphondo. Umbutho oxhasa amafama nawo ungenelele.
It takes 6 years for the tree to grow. So that means that the farmer needs to have 6 years of salaries, wages, diesel, fuel, etc. So that's where we come in, allowing private investors like you and me to own one of these trees for as little as 2,000 rand. Then we buy that from the farmer, and then 6 years later, when the tree is fully grown, then the farmer buys it back from us at a profit.
Abahlali bale ngingqi babonisa umdla omkhulu kweli candelo.
We are here to learn about how to plant macadamia and how to grow it.
Macadamia is something that we must learn, more especially we as black people. We didn't know much about that, but now on a daily basis we are learning about macadamia.
Kwaye imo yezulu yeliphondo ilungele kakhulu lemveliso yamandongomane.